just a few simple ingredients, we will have a delicious mussels marinara dish. And now we're adding the onions, seasoning with white wine, and now give everything a nice stir. Bottom up, we're adding the chopped fennel. Another stir. Now we've added the mussels to the pot, and we'll add our liquid, our 1 cup. And now we're adding our tomato puree on top of the mussels. And now it's time to add some salt to season that tomato. And now that we've added the mussels with the tomato puree on top, do not stir, but time to put the lid on. Look at that. All of our mussels have opened. We'll give it a quick stir. Now that's a beautiful dish of mussels. I wish you could smell it. Just going to garnish it with some of those beautiful fronds of fennel. Serving that with some delicious crusty bread. Time to try. I can't wait. The sauce is delicious, and I'm ready to try those plump mussels. So good. Well, let me know if you've tried this dish. I really hope you do. Leave me a comment. Let me know you've subscribed. It'll help me grow my channel. I've got so many more recipes to show you. Come cook with me. I'm Stella V.